Jai Hindu students, this is chapter number 3 for class 8th history. In proceeding this chapter, now the problem behind permanent settlement was the permanent settlement, however, increased the problems. Company officials soon discovered that jamidars were in fact not investing the improvement of the land. Jamidars were taking much more revenue from Indians because they have to pay a fixed permanent tax to company in a fixed amount, but whatever amount they had taken extra from uh, peasants or other villagers, it must to be say that they have to be uh, apply, or they have to be invest that money, whatever extra money they had collected, in reforming of agricultural land. But they don't do so. They took all that revenue, whatever extra they had collected from peasants, whatever they wanted to apply, they can apply. They were free to apply any type of taxes or revenue charge as a lagan, but they took it in their pocket and not they were applying as to reform the land condition of Indians. So land was not improved finally. Land condition was not improved finally by applying this system. However, revenue and taxes was much more higher. The revenue that had been fixed was so high that the jamidar found it too difficulty to pay. But gradually, company when know that whatever revenue was taken by jamidars is too high, then company also started to took much more revenue from jamidars. Now jamidars also become failure to pay the revenue to company, as gradually it become higher than higher than higher. Anyone who failed to pay the revenue, he lost his jamidari. Numerous jamidars were sold off at the use equipments organized by the company. So now the jamidari was took from one person to another person, and it given to another person as to collect much more revenue as a tender base, on the tender base. By the first decade of the 19th century, the situation changed. The prices in the market rose and cultivation slowly expanded the meat. This meat and increases in the income of jamidars, but no gains for the company, since it would not increase as a revenue demand that had been fixed permanently. So company now thinking that they were not getting much more profit by this jamidari system, permanent settlement. Even the jamidars did not have an interest to improve the land. Jamidars have no interest to improve the land. They want to took that amount in their pockets. Some had lost their lands and earlier years of the settlements. Many jamidars had lost their lands. Others now say that possibility of the earning without the trouble and risk of the investment. It become now a risk of investment, because if the jamidar were failed to give a fixed revenue charge to company, he become give a penalty as long as the jamidari could give out the land to tenant and get rent. they were not increases in improving their land. So now, on the other hand, in the village, the cultivation found the system extremely oppressive, and this system is oppressive, being very much problemful, troubleful, exploitable for Indians.